रहना ना हो तो एक बार पुलिस के लिए और तू तो राइटिंग लिख सकते हो आपको बोला ना
Am I audible to all of you? Are you getting my voice?
Yes.
Okay. I will switch to the WebEx or some other better platform within
Okay,
1 or
now
2 days.
getting.
So there is some problem with the Zoom or my internet maybe. So, but I will change the platform, Zoom platform, to WebEx or some other better platform. So that this type of problem may not exist. After 40 minutes, every 40 minutes, I need to reconnect this one. So I hope these definitions already clear to all of you, because in initial phase I struggle a lot to understand these definitions. So what basically a
रोया मत
physical
करो,
or what
क्या
basically
करोगी इसमें?
virtual is,
धीरे धीरे
and
खाओ और
what they
गलाला
want
करो.
to say basically, because the main aim of these. Yeah, Devasisi, I will try tomorrow. I will try for the WebEx. Basically, my problem is I have already conveyed to or entire PSNL this Zoom ID for that particular course,
ठीक हो
but
जाएगा.
somehow tomorrow I will try for the WebEx basically, because I also fed up from the for the Zoom also. So this thing is there. So these definitions are clear to all of you. Is there any doubt? So the main important thing is we want to make some ecosystem. We want to make some ecosystem with the IoT. IoT is not a basically a sensor, only a sensor-based communication. We deploy some sensors and it will communicate. The things will communicate each other. No, it is a ecosystem, and it will fulfill some particular tasks. Definitely some smart applications, sophisticated applications, and the main important thing is the security and privacy. Privacy deals with the data and security deals with the system. Another parameter is also there. Krishna ji is saying Zoom is much better than WebEx, but your friend Nareji is using the WebEx, na? So that's why I need to switch this one. KK ji, you know each and everything. It is not. I'm not able to explain you in open platform. That's why.
वो
The
ग्लास
thing is
मेरा ही
there.
होगा, दे दीजिए.
You are very smart and know each and everything. So these things are there. So I hope all of you have got the idea about this one. Important parameter is this one: security and privacy. Security and privacy. Don't forget about this one. And it is just like a break for the fast deployment of IoT, because IoT always a weak link. 100% security you cannot achieve in the cyber world, and here challenge is much more bigger than the earlier. Here not only a real-time communication, you require a real-time decisioning also. Now we are moving further. Another note is, from a broader perspective, the IoT can be perceived as a vision with technological and social implications. Okay, we are building one new society over this one, society 5.0. I will bind up this learning by the society 5.0. Okay, and humanity 2.0. It is a long task basically. We will take this. So further explaining, all the definitions describe scenarios in which network connectivity and computing capability extends to a constellation of objects, devices, sensors, and everyday items that are not ordinarily considered to be computers. This allows the devices to generate, exchange, and consume data, often with minimal human intervention. the various definitions of IoT don't necessarily disagree, rather than they emphasize different aspects of IoT phenomena with different focal points and use cases. It will depend, your network architecture or case study will depend upon the use cases, basically what you want to develop. Okay, and limitation is your creativity only. Okay, limitation is your creativity. You have the smart sensors at present, you have the huge amount of computational power. Okay, you have the huge amount of storage at some central position in the form of cloud or whatever you can say, and only restriction is your imagination. Okay, in your imagination, because humans always want to make life better and better, and dream comes true with this ecosystem. Okay, Somnathji, I will try for the Google Hangouts also. Whatever your first, I will try for the WebEx basically. Okay, because a lot of people are saying that WebEx is better. Okay, so alternate definition is the Internet of Things is the network of physical objects that contain embedded technology to communicate and sense or interact with their internal state or the external environment. The important thing is here, a sense or interact with the internal state or sense the external environment. That means it is capable to communicate with the external environment. Okay, and embedded technology is the one part of IoT. IoT is not same embedded technology. Okay, embedded, what you want to say, it is a combination of hardware and software. Okay, in case of this one IoT, basically a little bit different. Okay, IoT is not like a embedded technology, it is an ecosystem. Basically it adopts the embedded system also, it adopts the embedded system also. So let us see one video. What type of world we will expect? So have you got the idea about this one, what I want to show you in this video? What is the takeaway?
Sir, everything works in the IoT.
Yes.
Key, take, key takeaway
Everything
of
is
that
sensor
video?
device.
What is the learning of that video basically? Each
Sir,
and
all the
everything is
things
the
were
connected.
was
We will
communication.
live in the connected world. Okay. Even your fruits can
Yes,
talk
yes.
to humans. Okay. Or even each and everything is connected. Each and everything is connected. Each and everything is connected. Somebody was asking me about how the things will be connected and these things will be there, how the number of things will be more as compared to the human on internet. So the this type of thing will is there, your fire alarm system, your toxic fume, your car, your petrol tank, and all these things will be connected with each other, and definitely your life will be a better and better inside that. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Up to this, all the things are clear. Okay,
Yes.
fine. So far you have learned that IoT is not like that. Some sensor based communication is there, and you will gather some information and take some decision, and this much of thing you will achieve. Or some laboratory, it is limited to the laboratory basically. Okay, some motor you will put, and some over that you some sensor you will put, and some through the actuator or some action will be performed. No, it is not like that. What basically we want through the IoT, we want to achieve the ecosystem. We want to achieve the ecosystem. One question I am asking: can we hunger, hunger, hunger is the biggest problem nowadays for entire world, entire challenge. And believe me or not, after this COVID situation, this will be a horrible. This can be a horrible situation. It can be a big challenge for entire world. Can IoT, through the help of technology or through the help of IoT, can we somehow overcome from this problem? Somehow at present, somehow it may be a hypothetical for all of you. Okay, this question sir is asking
Yes,
like that,
yes.
or some is diverting from the topic or like that. No, it is not like that. It comes in the agenda of IoT. I will discuss this thing. I will take this one. This is the sustainable development goal basically, taken by the UN, how the technology can uh, take this one, or technology can provide the solution of this one. Still technology is doing the best job in the COVID-19 situation. Okay, as compared to the humans also, they are working as a collaboration manner. So these things are there. These things are there. Okay, I'm giving you one assignment. Okay, I'm giving you one assignment. Please share me in groups how hunger, or how hunger can we, how we can overcome from the hunger with the help of technology. With the help of technology, I am giving you this assignment, and if you share some thoughts over my WhatsApp, or through my WhatsApp number, or in a group, I will appreciate the effort. Okay, because it is a continuous process. Learning is a continuous process, and please be interactive in this one. Please don't be understand just like a headache for this one. And further, I am saying, whenever you people feel sleepy or you require break, just interrupt me. Okay, yeah, you send me a.
Okay, sir.
Okay, my number is 9412000810. Okay, you send me the message, and I will connect you in the group. Okay, these are the fundamental characteristics. Whenever you feel sleepy or you require the break, just interrupt me. Okay, I will wrap up the things. Okay, these are the fundamental characteristics of IoT basically. These things are the basically interconnectivity, things related to the services, heterogeneity, dynamic changes, enormous scale. Okay, enormous scale. These are the fundamental characteristics of any IoT ecosystem. What are these? Interconnectivity, Okay, how to make interconnection with the another system. Okay, what type of interconnectivity should be there? Some applications require ultra low latency delay. Okay, ultra low latency communication. Okay, so how to achieve this one? Okay, how to achieve the communication in a real time? How to achieve the real time decisioning in a real time? That comes under the interconnectivity part. Things related service. Okay, things are categorized in some smart devices or non-smart devices. Okay, because definitely whenever you have the energized system that have the encourage that have the privilege to adopt the certain new things, but whenever you have the passive elements like a t-shirt or like that, there will be a big challenge. How that means things categorization of different things are there, and according to that the services will be different. Another most important thing is the heterogeneity, not the homogeneity, because whenever you build whenever you build some model. Okay, so different type of network, different type of sensors, different type of network always you will encounter. Okay, you will meet an encounter with a heterogeneity at every moment. That's why some standardization we cannot form inside the IoT. Like that we cannot make some standardization only Bluetooth or Zigbee. Some another protocol is there, Zigbee. We can use the Zigbee or Bluetooth only for to achieve the connectivity. No, because due to the heterogeneity of the applications and heterogeneity of use cases or heterogeneity of things, it is very difficult to achieve the one standardization. So this is also a characteristics of IoT. Definitely heterogeneity will be there, not a homogeneous platform will be there. It is a basic part of the IoT characteristics. Further, dynamic changes. You will build always, it will be undergone in a changes. There will not be a such system. Okay, always I have taken the example of two buses. They are communicating with each other. Always they will require the changes. Always they will require the some changes. It is not possible to bind up the buses or the system in a one ecosystem or one platform. Always it will be require the dynamic changes in the form of software update or some form of hardware update, or in form of some computational or storage changes. Okay, you every time, because it is interconnected part. If it is internet interconnected part, suppose bus is connected to the traffic light. Okay, is there is some update inside the traffic light? Okay, definitely your bus will also require some changes. So always dynamic platform you will have, dynamic changes will be required. And definitely a numerous scale is there, infinite number of applications will be there. There is not a fixed platform. Every time you need to be ready for the enormous scale. Okay, there is no fixed amount of platform is there, and further no fixed amount of technology is there, no fixed number of sensors are there. So these are the fundamental characteristics you will find. These type of fundamental characteristics you will find inside the IoT. So is that clear, or is there any doubt inside this? Is there any doubt? This one is clear or not? I am trying my best to make the things simplified. I am taking much stress in each and every slide. Basically, I am just imagine that you all are just like a layman. I'm not. Definitely you all are the knowledgeable person, but I am assuming that you are just like a layman. That's why I am taking the things very slowly. Otherwise,
सर
in ALTTC
सर
seminars, basically I
हेट्रोजेनिटी को
try
फिर से बोलिएगा
to
सर.
cover these things within a 2 hour. Basically, I don't know all the people got the things or not. Basically, my aim is to get each and every heterogeneity. Some is there any doubt in heterogeneity? Somebody is asking. Heterogeneity means different type of devices, different type of environment, different type of application will be there, not a homogeneous. Traffic light require the different type of parameters. Bus requires the different type of communication on different type of network. So always every time you require the heterogeneous. There is no homogeneity or homogeneous word you will find inside the fundamental characteristics of the IoT or IoT ecosystem. And always it will be a dynamic. Always it will be a dynamic. It will be a infinite. Okay, there is no fixed scope of this one. Interconnectivity is a definitely a part. How to achieve the real time. Okay, different type of interconnectivity will be there. There is no fixed amount of interconnectivity. It will depend upon the range bound communication, whether it is a short range, whether it is a long range, whether it is a real time low latency or the millimeter wave communication. So it will depend upon this one. Things related service, definitely different things are there, enormous things are there. Soil particle have different type of parameter, and your t-shirt or the clothes will require the different amount of parameter, different type of categorization, or your electronic or smart devices will require the different type of categorization. So this type of thing is there. Is that clear? Is that clear? Any doubt? Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Further, these are the fundamental requirements of IoT. We require the identification based connectivity, because some sort of identification should be there for particular device. Okay, particular device or the sensor based equipment. We require interoperability, because it is not like that we have one system and it works within a particular room or within a particular home. No, it is not like that. Okay, it is not like that. We need to build one ecosystem or the system in which all should communicate with each other. Okay, all the things should communicate with each other. Autonomic networking, that is the part of basically a software defined networking, because it is a service based architecture. Your application will decide your network. Okay, there is no fixed network. Your application will decide your network. Autonomic service provisioning, definitely this will come in the later on slides. How services will be can we provide the services at the centralized platform? No, it is not like that. Okay, each and everything will have the different and heterogeneous platform. So these things are also there. High quality and high secure human body related services, just like putting a pacemaker on human body, or the smart sensor, or the soluble nano sensors. So these things are there. High quality should be there, highly secure should be there. Okay, otherwise it can be a poisonous. Privacy protection, always I am telling you, data related to the privacy, security related to the system. Please just remember this one, and please note down on your in your memory. Privacy related to the data. Data means information. You have to extract the information. That means at particular data is free flow. At particular moment, if it is a information for Neha, so at the same moment it should be a garbage for Khushbu. Okay, this is like that. Security deals with the entire system. Another parameter is also there. Another parameter is missing. That is the safety. That means the difference between the security and safety is security means a system. Humans should not harm the system. That is related to the cyber security. In cyber security, what we basically meant, humans should not harm the system. Okay, humans should not harm the system. That is the security. What about the safety? It is a reverse one. Because we are living in the era of cyber physical system, machines are getting powerful as compared to the humans. So there should be a provision of safety also at any particular moment. Machines should not harm the humans. That comes under the safety part. And the location based capability, definitely this is the most fundamental requirements of IoT. A lot of applications require the location based capability, so that intelligence can be applied on that, and so particular aim should be fulfilled. And simply plug and play. Then there should not be any configuration manually needed inside that, because we are living in the world of SON, self-organizing network. That's why I have taken this thing in the very beginning. We are living in the world of SON and SDN, and that's why we are moving towards the artificial intelligence. SON is the first part, plug and play. Okay, no need of manual configuration, because these are the blank devices. Okay, automatically we have the network, we have the SDN based network, and we have architecture, we have the service based architecture. Depending upon your application, your network will build, and according to that your device will play. So this thing is there, and easy to manage. it is easy to manage. Definitely a centralized manner. Definitely a centralized manner. Definitely into a centralized manner. Up to this, any doubt? Is there any doubt in this PPT? Is there any doubt in this PPT? Okay. It is clear or all clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Shall I
Okay, sir. Clear,
continue
sir.
or take a break for today? It is 10:15.
15 minutes more, sir.
Abhishek
Start
ji is telling
13,
break.
15
sir.
minutes more.
It is 10:24.
10:30 you take break, sir.
So
10 minutes more, sir.
because new topic will be started, ITU reference architecture, it will require a lot of attention from your side. If you feel like you are exhausted, because okay, if you are exhausted, then it is nowhere to continue. If you are free, fresh, then you can continue. It is a most important thing, ITU reference architecture of IoT, because from here we are entering in the technical portion. What will be the architecture of IoT? It is very important. Okay, it is very important. Please continue with me, okay, for the 5 minutes. Okay, I am reconnecting this one. Okay, from tomorrow I will start. I am further adding one. I am requesting those who are new or who have not sent your mail ID and HR number to me. Okay, please WhatsApp me. Preferable mode is WhatsApp, or the mail me your details so that I can enter in the training portal. Okay, again I am sharing my mail ID, mail.garg77@gmail.com, or you can connect me on. Okay, you can connect me over the WhatsApp also. We have made one WhatsApp group, so I will share the material also, and please be interactive in the on the WhatsApp also. Okay, please connect me on the Facebook also. Okay, and I require one thing also from you. Please connect me on the Facebook also. I will share the so many things on the WhatsApp and these things. And whenever you have doubt, okay, please free to ask on the WhatsApp or the call, or please be interactive, because it is my heartily desire some outcome should come. Okay, that's why I have taken the time. So I am taking the time, otherwise it is only a 2-hour job for me to finish this course. Basically it is, believe me, only 2 hours it will take. Okay, so that's why I am taking. And please share the feedback also, whatever you like, whether you are happy or
Okay,
not,
sir.
in wherever you have connected, whether it is over Telegram, WhatsApp, wherever you have, whether you have the positive feedback or negative feedback, I will appreciate all. And please share, continue the feedback on this one. And please kindly,
Okay,
I am
okay,
further
sir.
requesting, please share your HR number and mail ID if you have not shared so far. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Krishna ji. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I am
sir.
leaving this meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Neha
sir.
ji, I am
Okay, thanks.
recording the this one, and I will, through the YouTube channel, I will share the each and everything. I will share the each and everything regarding the video of
Okay.
this. Okay, thank you. Good night. Thank you.
Good night.